had a fantastic set of holidays there. Hey, my name is Steven, and I'm over here with Kristen and Maisie, and we're doing another adventure out here in the Sandia Mountains. Now today is really cool because we wanted to come and explore a really cool mining cave out here, and it is what has been called throughout the years as the Tunnel Springs Mining Cave. So it's really cool because people have known about this cave for years, and it actually was a lot easier access a few years ago. There were too many people who were going into the cave and getting hurt, and as a result these bars were set in place just so that they could keep people in place. But you know what? If a person is skinny enough and maneuverable, they could actually get in through this entrance right here and have no problem and do some further exploration, but that is at your own discretion. This is as far as we're going to take it for exploring this cave right here and just checking it out. You know, it's really, really cool. And bats actually are in this cave if you go deep enough in it. So another reason to be cautious if you choose to go in there. And it's really interesting, you know, because if you haven't been out here before, as you're going up the trail loop, go to take the right side of the loop, and within like within half a mile on the right side, just be watchful of one of the side trails that will lead you to this cave entrance right here. So it's not that hard to find. So really, really cool stuff. My friends, what is going on? Glad to see you again. We are right here and we're taking a break. We're taking a quick, short break and just enjoying the scenery. You know, we found this really interesting area right here, real cool area. It's more open. Yeah, we chose to just relax here for a little bit. This trail is pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty chill. The way we took the counterclockwise direction, it's a little bit more steeper. Going down, I could see how, you know, people on all trails, the reviews were saying that it would be a little bit more hectic going down, a little more slippery. Definitely would need trekking poles. From here until the rest of the trail, it's going to be easy street, and I'm definitely looking forward to that. So that's going to be amazing. But yeah, we got Kristen over here munching on some snacks. Hi. And what is Kristen munching on? I am curious. What is that you find so savory and delicious that you're enjoying right now? What is it?
Well, this is a chocolate mint and green tea Cliff Bar that I tried out for the first time a while ago because it's hard to transport coffee on the trail. It's rather heavy.
This is true.
Yeah, so, you know, the whole bar is more than a cup of coffee, so I usually only eat about half, but it's pretty good.
Awesome. So there you go. If you guys are interested in this type of Cliff Bar, Kristen has tried it out for you. It's pretty good, as you can see. So that is awesome. are you doing? Okay, we have made it to the end. It was an awesome hike over here. And there's Kristen right there. She's really No, it was actually pretty easy going, I think, for the most part. It was a little windy today, but that's okay. Kept things, it felt pretty good out here, despite that. And a little warm too. But yeah, I had fun. It was great. And then climbing that last section, that was a lot of fun. That was really, really cool. All right, we are out of here, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the content. If you liked this video, go ahead and put a like on there. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content, want to see more videos like this. All right, remember to go into the great outdoors and be a